motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
But back to the main event, and if you don't know, let me break down the rules. We're gonna have one lucky winner win this free car service. For your chance to win, this is what you need to do. 3 easy steps. First and foremost, subscribe to the channel, like the video, watch out for that keyword, and comment it in the section below. Alright man, in this video, I'm gonna diagnose the check engine light on this 2012 Chrysler 300 5.7. See, it's idling high. Alright, we are scanning for codes. After replacing the alternator, I wasn't able to start it up right away. Realized it was an issue other than the alternator, and this actually won't accelerate, and it's flashing these codes. All right, when I hit the gas, nothing. Starting to idle right now. I press the brake and it idles back down. And I let it go, start creeping up, idle. I'm not even hitting the gas. Now we're gonna see what we got. Okay, accelerator, pedal position sensor. Now that, okay, we got a voltage low. That battery needs to be replaced. So basically that pedal right there has a sensor on it. In order to replace the sensor, you have to replace the whole pedal. So that's basically what's going on here. That's why I can't get any throttle. All right, that's the pedal. Gotta take off this here. That's 2 tabs. This sensor. Okay, so I got a 13 mil on that bolt right there. We got 3 bolts that's holding it. 2 at the top. And we're gonna get that out. I got the sensor. Alright, I got the bolt. I got the socket on there. Really just gotta feel for it. Tight spot. That's on the right one, and then it's the left one. Alright, that's where that other one. See, I got the extension in there. Finally got them all out, man. This sensor up. Alright, I just took a flat head, got it in between there and pried it on out. This right there goes right there and there. See where those bolts go. Alright, it's the old one. The new one had to go all the way. I'm in Fairburn. I had to go all the way out to back to Forest Park just to get the part. They're the only ones that had it. The hub. Thing matching up. Man, we about to go back in. Let's go. I installed all my connectors and that cable right there. Alright, I got it in place now. I gotta put the bolts in there. Alright, so it's best to take out this. It's best to keep that one out, that plug, so you don't hit it when you tighten it up. Alright, we in there like swimwear. I'll put this little panel back up and start it up, see what we got. Go ahead and start it up. That idle is a lot better. The idle is a lot better. Let's see if I can hit the gas and yes sir. Yes sir. That's what my client wanted. Alright, get it in the run position, man. And erase these codes. Alright, see if that code is gone. That check engine light. Alright, that's it. Yet again, another one, man. Another one down. Another satisfied client, man. If y'all liking the content, man, I'm bringing, you know what you need to do, man. Hit that like button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank y'all for rocking with me, man. Until the next video. Y'all be blessed. The Pull Up King.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.